Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to react to Instagram messages with emojis. If you're using Instagram and you want to react your Instagram messages with emojis, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you how to try to update your Instagram app to prevent any kind of issue. So you have to simply open your app store here, go for search and search for Instagram, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Instagram app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, you have to simply go back and here open your Instagram app. Just go to the chat section and here just select the chat on which you want to react. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select this one here. Just select the message. You can react on other person's message, or you can also react on your own message. Just give a long press on the message, then select the react option from here. Let's say I'm going to select this emoji from here. Then you can also react the other person's emoji or other person's chat. Just keep a long press on the message and then select the emoji from here. Or if you don't want to select any of these, just select this plus option and then select the emoji which you want to add. Or for example, I'm going to select this one here. Just select the emoji and it will be added. So in this way, you can easily react to Instagram messages with emojis. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.